no Clint Eastwood westerns today.
Come
You
on.
don't want to watch The Outlaw?
Oh yeah,
Outlaw
I
Josie
really
Wells?
no.
Where he always spits on the fucking dog.
No.
He takes that tobacco and he spits on a bug.
I wait to hear it go ding when it hits the spoon.
No, none of that.
He hates it.
What are you saying up there?
I said, you hate those movies.
I despise them. I don't hate them, I despise them.
How can you despise Clint Eastwood?
I didn't say I despise Clint Eastwood, I despise the spaghetti westerns. That's all I'd be stuck watching because that's all my ex would watch.
Good man.
You want to get kicked, Jeff?
Okay, so he had one redeeming character.
No. That was no. No.
We could sit around and talk about our exes.
Boy, that would waste the whole day.
Yeah, it would waste the whole rainy day.
I wouldn't be able to get in the conversation.
I'll tell you what, you could have mine. And then it'll give you something to talk about.
Well, I have two, so you can have one of them.
No, thank you. I don't know either one of them. I don't want to know them.
Okay. We could braid each other's hair.
Yeah, I could see you try to braid Sean's.
Thank
Get me a Sharpie.
Leg
Yeah,
hair
there
is
you go.
all you'd be able to braid.
We can make,
Everything else is shaved except my arms and legs.
I could give him cornrows.
that's what I was going to say. You could draw cornrows with a Sharpie for him.
Let's go get a tattoo kind of day.
Let's not say we did, kind of that.
Deb's
I'm
like,
in.
Deb's like, yeah, let's go.
And we'll drag Patty along.
You could drag me along, doesn't mean I'm getting a tattoo.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Even if it's a polka dot. She has no pain tolerance.
No,
whatsoever.
I'd be crying my eyes out.
She has
I'll
no
admit
pain
it.
tolerance.
No, we'll go in, we'll pick it out, and we're gonna.
And I
tell
go running.
him- Yep, we're gonna tell him I'm taking her out to liquor her up.
See, but the thing is I still have to sign a consent.
Yeah, we'll get you to sign it beforehand. Ooh, okay, I'm stuck. Movie trivia from the 60s.
No pen in my hand today.